Oh, excuse. Ha ha ha. Just a little bit. Just move it back. Okay. Fucking chocolate. Guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. How is everybody doing today? So in today's video, I'm going to be doing another BAM horror box unboxing. Yes, it is that time again. I'm really excited about this box. I'm always excited about this box, let's be honest here. This box actually came yesterday and I decided today is the day to film it, and today was the day for that. If you want to know anything about this box, I will leave their website down in the description box if you guys want to go and check them out. No pressure or anything, it's just there if you want to go and check them out. So I'm just going to open the box like always, and there you go. We put a little paper to hide everything in so you can't peek, but I always peek, so So I'm going to get the cheat sheet just so I know what the heck I'm talking about. Like, look at the size of this cheat sheet. Like, it's huge now. Before it was like this little card, now it's like, whoa, that's what she said. It's from the Halloween 6, The Curse of Michael Myers, the 1995 one. I love this one from Halloween. It is my all-time favorite Halloween movie. Besides the classics with Jamie Lee Curtis, of course I love those ones. Actually, the stuntman's autograph, the one that worked with the one and only Michael Myers in the Halloween 6 Curse of Michael Myers. So this is pretty sick. I know. Whoa, look at this. I don't think I trust myself with this. Yeah, it's a butcher knife. Like, okay, I'll take this. There is the signature of the stuntman for Halloween 6 autograph, which is really cool. Holy crap, like, wow, this is such a cool prop. I'm gonna cut some cheese. I don't know about this though, but trusting myself with this, but this is gonna be so sick to put up on my wall, with my wall like that. Like, so that was a celebrity autograph. Pretty cool how they gave us a prop instead of like an actual like picture autograph. So next is this. I have no idea what is in here. It's another prop replica. Woo, we get like 2 props this month. Okay, I'll take that. So this is actually from the movie Us. A little replica from the movie. I seen a little bit of that movie, but I didn't see all of it, but I heard like mixed reviews about the movie, so this is making a lot of noise. And then it just says a BAM horror on it, which is really, really cool. Holy crap, those are gold scissors. Reminds me of like Willy Wonka and the Chocolate Factory. Like, look at those babies. See that? They're like gold. I don't know if the light is showing you guys these, but these are really cute. But oh, these are so cool. And it's, ooh, it says something on it. It says welcome to the family. Oh, how cute. And then on the other side it says you are now one of us. Oh, that's so cute. That kind of reminds me of the movie Lost Boys, when they're like sitting around eating like Chinese noodles and they're like, one of us, one of us. Kind of reminds me of that. But these are so cute. I wonder if these actually can cut hair. Let me see if they actually can cut hair. You can't cut hair with these, so they're just meant to be a prop scissor. So, that kind of sucks. Like, literally, it won't even like, I'm literally trying to cut. Okay, maybe like, okay, towards like the really end part, you can cut your hair, but like literally other than that, like, it does like nothing. Okay, next is another pair of scissors. They just look like this. I'm just kidding, these are mine. Next thing is a artist select card. We get these every single month. This one is, what is this one from? This is a Dr. Hill's decapitated head. So it's just what it looks like. A pin to put on my pin board where I put all my other pins. This one is actually, this is from the Treehouse of Horror episode. It was with The Simpsons, I'm assuming, because there's Homer all zombied up. It's just what Homer looks like. That's pretty cool. So this thing is the fan art print. And this one, oh my god, this one is so cool. This is from American Psycho. This is Patrick Bateman. Oh my goodness, I love this movie. This is so sick. This is just what it looks like. I do apologize about the glare. This is everything that I got in this BAM box for this month. I hope that you guys did enjoy this video, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye, guys.